everyone, I am Melissa from SkyCiv, and today I'm going to walk you through the Quick Design ACI 31819 Strip Footing Design Calculator. You can access this calculator by navigating to Quick Design and then navigating to Foundations in the right-hand menu. Here is the ACI 31819 Strip Footing Design Calculator. We also have an ACI 31819 Spread Footing Calculator, but today we'll be focusing on the ACI 31819 Strip Footing Design Calculator. With this calculator, you can enter in the footing properties. You can also enter in the concrete properties, reinforcement properties, wall properties. You can enter in the geotechnical parameters as well as the loading. Here you can edit the load combinations table. Just note that you need to have at least one surface load combination and one strength load combination. You can also edit the graphics inputs. So these graphics will edit as you edit the graphics inputs. The documentation for this calculator can be found here on this documentation button. Here is a highlight on how to use the calculator. This calculator will perform design checks and analysis based on ACI 31819. This helps engineers verify stability checks, strength checks, and reinforcement requirements for your strip footing. You can also batch run as an option. This allows you to check multiple strip footing designs within the same quick design file, and you'll be able to view the results in your batch run in the right-hand tab. But for now, let's go ahead and run this calculator. As you can see on the right-hand menu, we have our output summary. This will give a pass, fail, and utility ratio. So currently everything's passing. Let's dive into this report. You can download a PDF of this report, as well as view the graphics and toggle back and forth between the graphics and the report. And here's the PDF of the report. So the report gives you the references in the left-hand column, the calculations in the center column, and the results in the right-hand column. You can see we have very detailed calculations to avoid any black box with SkyCiv. If you have any questions on this quick design calculator or any other software modules on SkyCiv, feel free to use this chat feature where you can ask us any questions or clarifications, and we'll be sure to answer you. If you're interested in learning more about this quick design calculator, you can watch my other videos on this topic for some real-world examples.